students, today we are going to deal with the topic prime factorization. As we know, 30 is a composite number. So 30 we can write in the form of factors as 6 multiplied by 5. So 30 is composite number and 6 and 5. So 6 is again composite number. So how can we write 6? So 6 we can write as a 2 multiplied by 3 and 5 will be as it is. So these now all the factors of 30, that is 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So this is called as prime factorization. Okay. So prime factorization is a method where a composite number is written in the form of the product of प्राइम नंबर. मतलब कंपोजिट नंबर को प्राइम नंबर के फॉर्म में लिखने के मेथड को क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. ओके. सो जैसे कि देखो 30 क्या था? कंपोजिट नंबर है, तो उसको किसके फॉर्म में लिखा? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. ऑल ऑफ देम आर प्राइम नंबर्स एंड देयरफॉर दिस इज नोन एज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. There are two methods of prime factorization. They are factor tree method and division method. So these are two different methods in which we, or by using this, we can find prime factorization of any composite number. So let us see what is the factor tree method. It's very simple. So let us understand what is a factor tree. So for that we have to know the structure of tree. So the structure of the tree is something like this, we can say. So it is gradually growing, वो बड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है. Okay, so this is the structure of tree. In the same way, our factor tree will keep growing in case of factor tree method of prime factorization. जैसे यहाँ पे ट्री का शेप बड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है, वैसे ही हमारे फैक्टर्स यहाँ पे बढ़ते चले जाते हैं. सो लेट अस सी द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 30 बाय फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. ओके. सो लेट अस सी हाउ वी कैन have the prime factorization of 30 by factor tree method. So here I will tell you two different ways of 30 only. How can we have prime factorization? So see, simply we can say the factors of 10 multiplied by 3 is equals to 30. आपको जो भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन की पेयर याद आती हो वो लिख लो. Now see, 3 is prime number. बचा कौन? 10 is a composite number. So how can we write 10 again? So again we have to divide 10 in two parts and it will become 5 multiplied by 2. Yes, correct. Now see, whatever prime numbers are there, 5, 2 and 3, this is called as prime factorization of 30, and that we will write as a 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. You can see 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. तो आप बोलोगे सर ये क्या सिर्फ दिस इज ओनली द वन वे टू राइट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, ये सिर्फ एक वे है क्या? नहीं. We can find the prime factorization by using one more method. Okay, so that is one more way. Okay, of 30 only. There are many ways. जितने उसके फैक्टर्स के पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है उस उतने आएंगे. कोई बोलेगा सर we will take 6 multiplied by 5. No problem. 6 multiplied by 5, उससे भी वही फैक्टर आएंगे. 5 प्राइम नंबर है, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट 6 इज कंपोजिट. वी कैन राइट 6 एज 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, and then yes, now all numbers are prime numbers, 5, 3 and 2. So 30 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So see, you can see both the factors are same, and this is known as the prime factorization of any number by factor tree method. Now let us see the second method of prime factorization, that is division method. So for this we have already covered a video you should know the test of divisibility. Okay, so you should know the test of divisibility of all prime number. That is, you should know the test of divisibility by 2, 3, then 5, 7, 9 and so on. Okay, because here we are just going to use which numbers? Prime numbers. So first of all, we are going to check whether the number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, so let us find the prime factorization of 24 by division method. Okay, let us find the prime factorization of 24 by division method. So for this we have to draw a structure. Always use scale for drawing structure. So see, the structure is like this, and now we will start finding prime factors of 24. So see, always we have to check first of all by 2. Okay, we have to check it by 2. So whether the number is divisible by 2. So yes, 24 is divisible by 2 because according to the test of divisibility of 2, it has a 4. Okay, so it is divisible by 2. If we divide 24 by 2, then we will get quotient that is 12. Yes. Then again, can we divide 12 by 2? Yes, we can divide 12 by 2. Yes, so again we will write divisor over here, and then what answer we will get after dividing 12 by 2? 6, and that we have to write here. Very good. Now can we divide 6 by 2? Yes, again we can divide 6 by 2, and we know 2 3s are 6, so here we will write 2 3s are 6. Now can we divide 3 by 2? No, it's not possible. So we have to divide 3 by 3 only. Okay, so if we'll divide 3 by 3, then we'll get quotient as 1. So this is prime factorization of 24. That is, we have to write 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. The second number to find prime factors, that is 150. Okay, so for that again draw the structure. Always be good in your presentation, so it will add up to your beauty of presentation. So here we are going to write 150. So let us again check whether it is divisible by 2. Yes, absolutely it is divisible by 2. Why? Because it has 0 in the unit place. So if we will divide 150 by 2, what answer will get? See, 2 7s are 14, 1 remain, 1 and 0 10, and 2 5s are 10. Very good. So 75 we are getting. Now question arises, 75 is not divisible by 2. Correct. So which is the next prime number after 2? That is 3. Now we'll check whether it is divisible by 3. So 7 plus 5, that is equals to 12. Therefore this is divisible by 3. Now we will divide 75 by 3. Then 3 2s are 6. How much remain? 1. And 1 and 5 will become 15, and 3 5s are 15. Therefore what answer we are getting? 25. Now can we divide 25 by 3? Let us check. 2 and 5 7, and 7 is not in the table of 3. So therefore now next prime number is 5, and yes, it is divisible by 5. So what can we say? 5 5s are 25, and now 5 is just divisible by 5 only, and this is the prime factorization of 150. So we can write as 150 is equals to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 and multiply by 5. This is the prime factorization of 150. Let us check. 2 multiply by 3 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 150. So in this way, in this video we have learned about prime factorization, and in prime factorization we have seen two methods. One was factor tree method, another one was division method.